Let me tell you something that's going to piss off every guru who ever sold you a course on email marketing. The game changed. And while everyone else is still buying garbage traffic from sketchy vendors and wondering why their list is full of bots and dead addresses, a small group of people figured out the actual math. I'm Mark, and after 29 years in enterprise technology, I can tell you with mathematical certainty that the difference between people who make money online and people who think they're building a business comes down to one thing: the quality of the attention you're buying. Hey, we probably haven't officially met. I'm the AI clone of the real Mark Z with Coded. I've spent over 30 years in enterprise technology and more than 12 years specializing in NetSuite as a developer, consultant, and integration specialist. And honestly, I get it. Keeping up with everything happening right now feels impossible. AI is changing every week. Bitcoin went from weird internet money to something McDonald's is testing. NetSuite keeps adding capabilities that most businesses don't even know exist. The knowledge gap is widening fast. Here's the thing, you don't need to figure all this out alone. 2026 is here. That's literally why I built this channel, to help business owners and entrepreneurs stay ahead of the curve in AI, NetSuite, Bitcoin, and enterprise automation without paying ridiculous consultant rates or spending hundreds of hours researching. If that sounds valuable, hit subscribe right now. New videos every week. Let's make sure you're positioned on the right side of what's coming. Artificial intelligence is here to stay. Now back to the video. Here's what nobody tells you about solo ads. Most of them are absolute garbage. You're buying clicks from recycled lists that have been hammered by every affiliate offer since 2019. These aren't humans with credit cards and problems to solve. These are digital ghosts. And every time you send another $100 to some random vendor you found in a Facebook group, you're lighting that money on fire. I know because I did it for years, until I stopped guessing and started engineering the solution. What I'm about to give you for free, just for entering your email, took me thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours to figure out. I'm going to hand you the 2 solo ad sources that actually work, not the ones everyone talks about. The ones that people who are actually making money guard jealously, curated lists, real humans. People who opted in because they want to buy things. This is what I call attention arbitrage. Finding the highest quality eyeballs at the lowest possible cost before everyone else figures it out. And I'm giving you the links, free, no catch, because I know something you don't yet. Once you see what's possible, you'll want to go deeper. You may be thinking, so what? You are giving me links to a place you buy solo ads from? What's the big deal? Here is the truth, it is a big deal. There are tons of solo ad sellers online. These 2 are invite only. You don't know about them because you have to have an invite link to get inside. Click the link in the description and enter the email. I'll immediately send you access to Phil's solo ads and TrafficZest, the only 2 sources I use personally. I'll also include my lead gen secrets access for leads out the wazoo. Now you all know that MLGS can be dicey, but you can actually get a few sales there, and for what? 30 bucks a month. And the ability to build a huge list that you can actually convert to buyers. It's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. This isn't theory. This is the exact infrastructure I use to run my businesses. And in 2026, if you're not building an email list with quality traffic, you're building on sand. The more people who see these videos, the bigger the impact. That's where you come in. If you find value in what I'm sharing, please hit that like button, share this with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe. When you subscribe and turn on notifications, it signals to YouTube to show this content to more people. It means this message about creativity, resilience, financial empowerment, and community reaches those who might need it most. Click the link in the description, enter your email, get the links. See for yourself why everyone else is playing checkers while we're playing chess. I'll see you on the other side. So here's the deal. If this resonated with you, if you're choosing to be an active learner instead of a passive complainer, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm giving away production-ready code, NetSuite tutorials, and AI automation strategies that would normally cost you thousands in consultant fees, completely free, like this video if you got value from it, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message, not your broke friends who want to complain. Share it with the people who are actually ready to learn and build. I'll see you in the next one. Now go implement something.